Hello guys. I am back at you with the IPSY X for the month of May. Let's dive right in. So the typical inside, and we have this right here. This lets you know everything that came in the IPSY Box X for everyone for the month of May. We'll dive into that to see some prices, but let's just get into the products, okay? So I did order this as an add-on. So this is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. It's a 2 double-sided lash mascara, and I've heard great things about that, so I'm excited to try that out. I also ordered another of Babe lashes. I have, with my surgery and everything going on, not been sticking to my regimen of trying to grow my lashes, so we're going to get back on board there, and I did order one of these. Now everything else that is going to come out of this box is actually from my IPSY X. So the first thing I have is the Gold Faden MD. It is the Plant Infusion Night Cream. I hear great things about Gold Faden MD. They're a good brand with products that actually really work for your skin, so I'm interested to try it out, and I do have other products in order to do like an actual 6-week wear of everything Gold Faden MD, let you guys know how it is. The next thing I got in here is Prime Time Illuminating Serum. I believe it's a primer as well as a serum, and it's by Olivia Plumero. I don't know much about this brand. It is saying it's good for a few drops on cleansed skin before makeup application. So it sounds, like I said, it's a serum and it's an oil. So we'll see how that is. The next thing I got is this Primrose fragrance. It is called Wild Child, and it says let her out. So we're going to let her out. We're going to do as they ask. It comes, oh, I opened it up. So it comes in this really cute little bottle right here. And I know this is a pretty big It scent. Smells very pretty, florally for sure. Maybe a hint of vanilla as well. I'm excited for this. How often, should I say, not when was last time, but how often do we get fragrances? So excited about that. The next thing I have in here is the Ren Skincare, and this is Clean Beauty, cruelty free. This is the Overnight Recovery Balm. This is great for when I do peels or acid treatments. This would be great for the recovery part of it. The next thing I got in here is from Keys Beauty, or Keys Soul Care. I love that. It is a sheer flush blush tint, and this is in the color Grace. So this is the color right here, and I'm going to try and get my finger in there to do a little swirl to show you what that'll look like right here. And then these are colors, so just kind of focus over here if you don't mind. I'm just going to kind of pull that out like you would a blush, and you'll kind of get the color. It is going to be very natural, but I actually love natural, so I'm here for that as well. The next product I got was, actually, I'm sorry, I ordered this as well. This was ordered for my son. I'm getting him into skincare little by little. We do some moisturizer and some niacinamide, and we're sticking with that right now, and his skin looks great. So I'm loving that. If you don't love niacinamide, get into it, because I love some niacinamide. The next thing I see in here is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, and I was sent this in light sand. I'm sorry, it wasn't focusing. This is 205, and it does look like it's going to be a good match for me. You will see me use this in an upcoming video just to kind of test everything out and see how everything is going. The next thing I have is by Saturday Skin. This is the Apple and Peach Cleanser, and I do hear amazing things about Saturday Skin, so I'm excited to have that as well. Are we box twins? I feel like, okay, so this is the second box that I feel like I'm missing something. If you saw my Boxy, you might also have seen that I feel like I'm missing something. So this is 1 item, 2 items, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Isn't it supposed to be 8? I don't know. Comment below. How are you guys? Did we get the same things? Are we box twins? Did you love what you got? Is there something in here that I'm absolutely going to love using? Is there anything in here I'm absolutely going to not really love, and maybe I should oh, speaking of giveaway, I was going to say giveaway to a friend or somebody else that might like it a little bit more. Speaking of giveaways, we have a giveaway coming up for $800. No, I wish I could do that, but I'm sorry. For 800 followers, I'm going to be giving away a really big box of skincare and makeup. So make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe, send me some love, guys. I am going to do a catch-up video for you guys with everything that's going on from surgery, and some pictures and everything that's been going on last month and a half, 2 months of my life. So I love you guys, and thank you for being back and spending time with me. I'm sending you guys all light and love, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.